Punta na kami sa Philly Hotel. Currently, nandito kami ngayon sa Philly Mall. So time check tayo, it's 4:45. So it's 15 minutes na lang. Parang late na tayo. Guys, hindi ko na kayo may explore sa Nostar kasi nagmamadali kami. 10 minutes na lang. Na kami guys. Ito po yung ice cream nila, free po ito pag pampakalma after yung pumunta sa taas. So papunta na kami sa taas guys. Dito na po tayo sa loob. Look. Taas niya.
Where the neon glows, every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
Tingnan yung may view. Dito lang nawala yung takot ko.
The alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light.
Grabe, ang ganda ng view dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Sunset. Sheesh. Tingnan ko ang gaano kataas. Yan. Actually, meron akong first height. Kaso nawala. Kasi ang ganda. Pwede ba umupo dito? Yan. So, kita nyo naman yung Silex. Yan. At saka yung malaking SMC side. Everyone. Picture yung kasama ko guys.
Where the neon glows, every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night.
If gusto nyong pumunta dito is kailangan nyo lang mag-book through their website. So 500 pesos lang po. So tingnan nyo man yung view. It's so nice. If takot po kayo sa height is mag-i-enjoy po kayo dito.
Amazing!
Tingnan nyo naman. Good thing if takot kayo sa height kasi may thrill. Solo namin yung skydeck guys. Woo! Kung pwede lang tumakbo eh. Tatakbuhin ko to. Picture mo na. pagdating nyo dito is bawal po talagang tumakbo or mag-jump. So, yeah. Pupunta kayo dito guys. Mag-book kayo between 4:30 PM to 5:30 PM. Only 15 minutes lang talaga yung tumambay dito. Kaso hindi kami binawalan. Lumagpas kami ng 15 minutes. Yeah, mag-book lang kayo sa 5 PM. Yep, we're done. Sulit naman yung 500. Kasi ang ganda ng view. Pag 5 PM kayo nag-book. Pagpasok nyo dito is ito na yung makikita nyo. Yan. Hindi naman siya ganong kalakihan. Sakto lang. Kita niya, reflection. Ito pa yung itsura ng elevator nila guys. Ganda. 3D. Ganda guys. Thank you. Hey. Free ice cream. Pampakalma. Vanilla. Masarap. Kahit walang sauce.
Picture.
Ito pala yung CR ng Nostar guys. Grabe, napakasosyal. Yan. Ihing na tayo.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night.